Now we are going to discuss how to create frequency distribution table. Okay, this is the steps in creating frequency distribution table. First, solve for the range. Second, calculate the number of classes or also known as K. Then, identify the class width or the class interval. The following data are the scores of 50-item test in grade 10, 15, 3, 8, 38, 41, 10, 4, 16, 20, 6, 19, 3, so on and so forth. As you can see in the screen, step 1, we need to find the range. So in order to solve for the range, the formula is highest score minus lowest score. So in this given data, the highest score is 49. And the lowest data is, okay, very good, that is 1. Now, to find the range, 49 minus 1, the answer is 48. Okay, we are done with the step 1. Okay, step 2, computing for the number of classes or K. We are going to use Sturge rule. The formula is K is equal to 1.322 log n, where n is the number of data. So, going back to our given, so these are the scores. If we are going to count it, okay, the result is 30. Therefore, the number of data is 30. Now, we are now going to substitute n to be 30. Then, 1 plus 3.322 log 30, just simply input in your calculator. Then, after that one, after encoding, press equals. Then the result will be 5.90699, so on and so forth. And then, round it up to the nearest three decimal places. It will become 5.907. Okay, so the proper way to read decimal is 5 and 907 thousandths. Another one is 3 and 322 thousandths. But in our daily activities, we read this one as 3.322, 5.907. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, since our value of K is equal to 5.9069, or if we are going to round it up into 3 decimal places, 5.907, we are always going to round it up to the next whole number. Okay, so therefore, the next whole number of 5.9 is 6. Now, we can conclude that there are 6 classes. Now, so we are going to create a table, class interval, tally, and frequency. The number 6 represents the number of classes. So as you can see, class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, class 5, and class 6. Okay, since we are already done in step 2, let's proceed with the step 3. Step 3, class width, or we are going to let that one as W. Then we are going to use this formula to find the class width. W is equal to R, or range, over K, our class size. Okay, please take note. Use the original value of K. So in our previous solving, the value of K is 5.907. And our range is step 48, as we can see in our previous slide, step 1. So 48 divided by 5.907 is equal to 8.126. Okay, class? After solving, always round it up to the next whole number in order to find our class width or the class interval. So the class interval or class width is equal to 9. Okay, so going back to our table, so class interval, tally, and frequency. Then write the lowest value. So the lowest value is 1, so write 1. Since our class width is 9, we are going to add 9. So 1 plus 9 is equal to, okay, 10. Then 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. Then 19 plus 9 is equal to, okay, 28. 28 plus 9, the answer is 37. And for the last, 37 plus 9 is equal to, very good. The answer is 46. Now, after that one, we need to add another number to make the interval true. Okay? To begin with, 10, the number before 10 is 9. Therefore, we are going to add 9 in our class interval in the first class. So, it looks like this. After this one, 19, the number before 19 is, okay, 18. Then, 28. The number before 28 is, okay, 27. Then, 37. The number before 37 is, okay, 36. Then, the number before 46 is 45. Then, for the last class, we need to add 45. 45 plus 9, since 9 is our class width, it will become, okay, 54. Okay, since the class interval is complete, we are now going to count the number of data using tally and frequency. So as you can see, the data is shown in the upper right. Okay, so I made a shortcut. So for the class interval 1 to 9, there are 10. So tally board, then the frequency is 10. 10 to 18. So the scores that belong to number 10 to 18, or scores 10 to 18, is there are only 7 scores. 19 to 27, 5 scores. 28 to 36, 3 scores, and so on and so forth. Then if we are going to add all the frequency, the total is 30. Okay, class? Gets? Okay, it's your time.